Petzl Actik Core Rechargeable Headlamp. Illuminate your winter wonderland with the Petzl Actik Core Rechargeable Headlamp, a celestial beacon for nocturnal adventurers. Picture this, a crisp, snowy night, and you, the intrepid explorer, navigating the frost-kissed trails with the radiant aura of your headlamp. Like a cosmic force harnessed in a compact device, the Actik Core dazzles with its rechargeable prowess, casting an otherworldly glow that banishes the shadows and turns the darkened woods into a celestial stage for your icy escapades. With its stellar battery life, this headlamp is not just a gear, it's a luminous ally, ensuring your nocturnal forays are as dazzling as the winter constellations above. As you venture deeper into the icy unknown, the Petzl Actik Core becomes your trusty accomplice, transforming the frigid night into a symphony of shimmering snowflakes and mysterious shadows. Its versatile lighting modes, akin to the enchanting dance of fireflies, allow you to tailor the ambience, whether it's a soft glow for storytelling around the winter campfire or an intense beam for unraveling the secrets of the snow-laden landscape. This rechargeable marvel not only conquers the darkness but does so with an eco-friendly nod, minimizing your environmental footprint like a benevolent winter spirit. In the heart of the frosty wilderness, the Petzl Actik Core is your magical beacon, guiding you through the winter night like a celestial companion on an interstellar journey. Unigear 3 Heating Level Rechargeable Heated Gloves. Step into the cozy embrace of Unigear's 3 Heating Level Rechargeable Heated Gloves, where winter chills are transformed into a toasty haven for your hands. Imagine slipping your fingers into these electric marvels, each touch awakening a symphony of warmth. With not one, not two, but 3 customizable heating levels, these gloves let you dial in the perfect degree of comfort, turning the frosty outdoors into your own personal tropical retreat. The rechargeable magic within these gloves ensures that, like a diligent winter wizard, they're always ready to banish the cold and keep your hands comfortably cocooned in a blissful microclimate. Picture this, a winter wonderland where icy winds dare not nip at your fingertips. Unigear's heated gloves, with their rechargeable charm, go beyond ordinary handwear. They're your winter sidekicks, equipped with a heating superpower that turns frosty adventures into toasty escapades. Feel the warmth radiating through your fingers as you conquer snowy landscapes. Each level of heat a testament to the glove's commitment to making your winter experience not just bearable, but downright delightful. Embrace the cold with confidence, knowing that Unigear's heated gloves are your secret weapon against winter's icy grip, turning every chilly outing into a heated affair. NEMO Moki 4-Season Mountaineering Tent. Embark on a high-altitude adventure with the NEMO Moki 4-Season Mountaineering Tent, a fortress of resilience against the whims of Mother Nature at her most formidable. Envision this tent as your portable mountain sanctuary, where the howling winds and swirling snow outside are mere whispers against the robust fabric of your shelter. Crafted with the precision of a mountaineer's tool, the Moki is the expeditionary dream realized, a haven that not only withstands the frosty breath of winter but invites you to revel in its well-engineered embrace. The NEMO Moki stands tall as the architectural masterpiece of winter camping, where every stitch and seam tells a story of meticulous craftsmanship. Imagine unzipping the vestibule to a panorama of snow-capped peaks, the tent's design akin to a mountaineer's ode to comfort and resilience. This 4-season marvel isn't just a tent, it's a mountaineering partner, a steadfast ally in the face of blizzards and biting cold. The Moki doesn't merely protect, it beckons you to defy winter's harshest moods and create your own summit sanctuary, ensuring that every frosty expedition becomes a tale of triumph against the elements. HeatBank 9 Seconds Rechargeable Hand Warmer. Enter the realm of warmth and comfort with the HeatBank 9 Seconds Rechargeable Hand Warmer, a pocket-sized furnace that defies winter's icy grip. Visualize this nifty gadget as your personal hearth, fitting snugly in your palm and radiating a gentle heat that transforms the coldest days into a cozy embrace. With its rechargeable prowess, the HeatBank 9 Seconds isn't just a hand warmer, it's a toasty companion that ensures your frosty escapades are met with the soothing glow of warmth, all at your fingertips. Imagine the chilly air outside, and then envision slipping the HeatBank 9 Seconds into your pockets, unleashing a wave of comforting heat that defrosts your fingers like a portable fireplace. This rechargeable marvel is not just a winter essential, it's a handheld haven, a thermal sanctuary in the midst of a snowy adventure. Say farewell to frozen fingers and welcome the warmth of innovation with the HeatBank 9 Seconds, a rechargeable hand warmer that turns every frosty outing into a toasty expedition, ensuring that winter's chill is no match for the comforting glow it provides. Baffin Control Max Men's Boot. Stride confidently through winter's icy domain with the Baffin Control Max men's boot, a formidable fortress for your feet against the coldest of colds. Envision this boot as your stalwart guardian, standing firm against the winter's onslaught with its robust construction and insulating prowess. With a design that marries rugged durability and Arctic-grade insulation, the Control Max isn't just a pair of boots, it's your trusty companions, ensuring that every step through snowdrifts and icy landscapes is met with unyielding protection and uncompromised warmth. Picture yourself in the midst of a snowy adventure, lacing up the Baffin Control Max men's boot, ready to conquer the frosty terrain. These boots aren't just footwear, they're the frontline defense against winter's chill, with a design that blends functionality and style seamlessly. Whether trudging through deep snow or navigating icy paths, the Control Max becomes an extension of your winter-ready spirit, with each step a testament to its ability to conquer the harshest elements. Embrace the winter wilderness with the Baffin Control Max, where every footfall is met with the assurance that cold feet are a thing of the past, and frosty escapades are transformed into victorious strides through the snow. GSI Outdoors Camping Stoves. Elevate your outdoor culinary escapades with GSI Outdoors Camping Stoves, where the wilderness becomes your gourmet kitchen. Envision these stoves as your portable flame maestros, capable of turning any campsite into a sizzling haven for culinary creativity. Crafted with the precision of a backcountry chef's dream, GSI stoves are more than just outdoor cookware. They're the catalyst for memorable meals under the open sky, where the aroma of adventure blends seamlessly with the sizzle of a perfectly cooked feast. Picture setting up your GSI Outdoors Camping Stove, the wilderness around you transforming into a canvas for gastronomic exploration. These stoves aren't mere cooking instruments, they're the heart of your outdoor kitchen, bringing the joy of flame-kissed delights to the remotest corners of nature. Whether you're simmering a trailside soup or brewing a morning cup of wilderness coffee, GSI stoves redefine the art of campsite cooking. Embrace the culinary adventure with GSI Outdoors, where every flame ignites a sense of outdoor Epicurean delight, turning your camping experience into a feast for the senses. Yaktrax Pro Ice Grips. Equip your winter footwear with the Yaktrax Pro Ice Grips, turning every icy surface into your personal winter wonderland walkway. Visualize these ingenious devices as the winter tires for your shoes, featuring an array of coils and spikes that transform treacherous ice patches into conquerable terrain. With the Yaktrax Pro snugly strapped to your boots, you're not just walking, you're confidently navigating a winter landscape with the grace of an ice-savvy adventurer, each step secure and slip-free. Picture yourself strolling through a frosty landscape, slipping on the Yaktrax Pro like a winter superhero gearing up for a frosty mission. These ice grips aren't just accessories, they're the key to unlocking the frozen world beneath your feet. With a design reminiscent of nature's crampons, Yaktrax Pro gives you the traction of a mountain goat on ice, ensuring that winter's slippery challenges become mere stepping stones on your cold weather journey. Embrace the confident stride with Yaktrax Pro, where each step becomes a testament to your winter mastery, and icy surfaces are transformed into pathways of sure-footed delight. Striker Ice Veil Camo Climate Jacket. Dress for the winter battlefield with the Striker Ice Veil Camo Climate Jacket, a cold weather arsenal that merges cutting-edge technology with the stealthy beauty of winter camouflage. Imagine this jacket as your shield against the icy elements, where the Veil Camo design not only conceals you in the wintry landscape, but also makes a bold fashion statement. Beyond its aesthetic allure, this climate jacket is a high-tech marvel, equipped with features that defy the chill, making every winter excursion a mission of both style and warmth. Visualize zipping up the Striker Ice Veil Camo Climate Jacket, transforming into a winter warrior with a garment that blends seamlessly with the frosty surroundings. This jacket isn't just outerwear, it's your armor against the biting cold, with features like insulation, waterproofing, and ventilation working in unison to create the ultimate climate-controlled cocoon. Whether you're ice fishing, snowmobiling, or just braving the winter winds, the Striker Ice Veil Camo Climate Jacket becomes your trusted ally, ensuring you not only brave the cold but do so with an air of winter chic. Embrace the frozen frontier with style and functionality, where the Veil Camo Climate Jacket transforms winter into your own personal runway of icy adventure. Casual Portable Campfire Candle. Ignite the charm of the outdoors with the Casual Portable Campfire Candle, a flickering flame that turns any gathering into a cozy wilderness retreat. Envision this candle as your miniature campfire, casting a warm glow and creating an ambience that captures the essence of outdoor camaraderie. With its portability and laid-back allure, the Casual Portable Campfire Candle isn't just a source of light, it's a travel-sized beacon that transforms any space into a casual, inviting haven, inviting you to unwind in the embrace of its gentle radiance. Picture yourself setting up the Casual Portable Campfire Candle, its flame dancing like a spirited traveler sharing tales around a campfire. This candle goes beyond mere illumination. It's a symbol of relaxed adventure, a subtle reminder that the best moments are often found in the simplicity of shared stories and shared warmth. Whether you're camping, picnicking, or just enjoying a quiet evening on the patio, the casual portable campfire candle becomes your easygoing companion, infusing every moment with the laid-back spirit of outdoor leisure. Embrace the casual glow, where this portable candle turns any setting into a tranquil escape, bringing the essence of a campfire to your leisurely moments. 10. MSR Evo Trail Snowshoe Kit. Embark on a winter journey with the MSR Evo Trail Snowshoe Kit, a comprehensive toolkit that transforms snowy landscapes into your personal playground. Picture this kit as your winter expedition companion, providing not just snowshoes but an entire arsenal of winter essentials. The Evo Trail Snowshoe Kit isn't merely gear, it's a passport to adventure, equipping you with the tools to conquer snow-laden trails and embrace the frosty beauty of winter. Imagine strapping on the MSR Evo Trail snowshoes, each step leaving a satisfying imprint on the pristine snow. These snowshoes are not just functional, they're your ticket to exploring winter landscapes with ease, thanks to their ergonomic design and efficient traction. But the kit goes beyond the snowshoes, offering trekking poles for stability and a carrying bag for convenience transport. It's like having a winter-ready Swiss Army knife at your disposal, ensuring that every snowy outing becomes a well-prepared, hassle-free escapade. Embrace the snowy wilderness with the MSR Evo Trail Snowshoe Kit, where each piece becomes a part of your winter adventure ensemble, turning snowy trails into a canvas for exploration and joy. KingCamp Hot Tent Stove. Elevate your winter camping experience with the KingCamp Hot Tent Stove, a portable furnace that transforms your shelter into a cozy haven amidst the frosty wilderness. Visualize the stove as the heart of your winter camp, radiating warmth like a comforting embrace. It's not just a source of heat, it's a culinary companion, turning your tent into a winter kitchen where the aroma of hot meals mingles with the crisp air. With its portable charm and efficient design, the KingCamp Hot Tent Stove isn't just a camping accessory, it's the catalyst for turning cold nights into snug, fireside tales of adventure. Imagine the satisfaction of setting up the KingCamp Hot Tent Stove, watching the flames dance through the glass window as you bask in its radiant heat. This stove isn't just a utilitarian device, it's a winter camping essential that transforms your temporary dwelling into a warm sanctuary. The convenience of its portability, combined with the joy of preparing hot meals in the heart of the wilderness, turns every camping trip into a memorable winter escapade. Embrace the warmth and versatility of the KingCamp Hot Tent Stove, where cold nights become a thing of the past, and your camping experience transcends the ordinary, creating a cozy haven in the midst of winter's icy embrace. Vesta Self-Powered Camping Indoor-Outdoor Heater. Step into the realm of warmth and independence with the Vesta Self-Powered Camping Indoor-Outdoor Heater, a versatile heat source that doesn't rely on external power sources. Envision this heater as your portable fireplace, capable of turning both indoor and outdoor spaces into toasty retreats with its innovative self-powering technology. It's not just a heater, it's a reliable companion that ensures you stay comfortably warm whether you're camping in the wilderness or relaxing in your backyard. Picture setting up the Vesta Self-Powered Heater, its flames flickering like a beacon of warmth. This heater isn't just about chasing away the chill, it's about self-sufficiency, drawing its power from the very environment it warms. With its compact design and ability to generate heat without external power, the Vesta becomes your reliable ally in diverse settings. From chilly campsites to impromptu outdoor gatherings, embrace the independence and warmth of the Vesta Self-Powered Camping Indoor-Outdoor Heater, where the flickering flames create not just a cozy ambience, but also a sense of empowerment in the face of cold weather. Thermalstep 7 4V Battery Heated Hand Warmer Pouch. Dive into the lap of winter luxury with the Thermalstep 7 4V Battery Heated Hand Warmer Pouch, a toasty sanctuary for your hands that defies the icy grip of winter. Envision this pouch as a pocket-sized fireplace, radiating warmth through its heated embrace. It's not just a hand warmer, it's a thermal haven, thanks to its rechargeable battery providing comforting heat to your hands, turning every cold day into a cozy retreat. Imagine slipping your hands into the Thermalstep Heated Hand Warmer Pouch, feeling the gentle warmth enveloping your fingers like a soothing caress. This pouch isn't merely an accessory, it's a winter essential that ensures your hands remain toasty and dexterous even in the coldest weather. With its portable rechargeable battery, it becomes your on-the-go heat source, transforming outdoor excursions into heated adventures. Embrace the warmth and convenience of the Thermalstep Heated Hand Warmer Pouch, where the rechargeable technology turns winter into a season of comfort. and heated delight, one cozy pocket at a time. Thanks for embarking on this adventure with us. If you enjoyed the thrill, hit that subscribe button and buckle up for more escapades. Remember, life's an adventure, whether you're scaling peaks or conquering the cozy comforts of winter warmth. Stay tuned, stay wild, and we'll catch you on the flip side of the next thrilling video. Until then, may your days be filled with excitement, your nights with cozy campfires, and your subscribe button always within reach. See you soon, fellow adventurers.